Welcome to Kids Adventure. Birds of prey. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, are a group of birds that hunt and feed on other animals. They are characterized by their sharp talons, hooked beaks, and excellent eyesight, which they use to spot and capture their prey. Some common examples of birds of prey include eagles, hawks, falcons, owls, and vultures. Birds of prey play an important role in controlling populations of their prey species and are often at the top of the food chain in their ecosystems. They are also valued by humans for their beauty and cultural significance and have been featured in art, literature, and mythology throughout history. Birds of prey face a number of threats, including habitat loss, pollution, and persecution by humans. Many species are also vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. Conservation efforts, such as habitat protection and captive breeding programs, are necessary to ensure the survival of these magnificent creatures.